Page 18, climbing the music ladder. Actually, in this lesson, I'm going to do pages 18 and 19 together. They're very similar, and I just don't see any point in splitting them out. But I'll talk about page 18 first. For music, we use the first 7 letters of the alphabet, A through G. Those are the names of the notes. We already know about C's because we've been using middle C, because I've been pointing out C. Where is C on the keyboard? Well, it's at the bottom of a group of 2. And there's a lot of C's on the keyboard. They're all over the place. So that note, hopefully you know one note. But on an 88 key piano, a full-size piano, the bottom note at the way down here is A, the first letter of the alphabet, and it just goes up. And when you get to G, you start over with A again. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you'll notice every C is right where I said it was. A, B, C. Remember, C's at a group of 2. C, D, E, F, G. And that goes all the way up to the top until you get to a C. If you have a short keyboard, then you'll have to figure out what the bottom note is. But if you can find a C, just go to the lowest C on your keyboard, wherever it is, and you just go down the alphabet backwards. You can figure out what the bottom note on your keyboard is. And that's the way it works. So we need to eventually learn the keys on the keyboard, the white keys now, on the keyboard. A through G. Now hopefully you already know one of them, the C, so you only have 6 more to go. But just take it slow and easy. Some people will put stickers on the keys to remind them what the names of the keys are. If you need them, I guess you need them. I didn't have them when I was little. I've never had stickers. There will come a time when you'll need to take the stickers off. So if you're going to use stickers, you still need to be focusing on trying to learn what the actual keys are without using the stickers. So don't think I got stickers on the piano, I'm not going to bother to learn that. You might be playing some other piano, and then what do? No. You got to learn the names of the notes on the keys. Now at the bottom of page 18, they give a duet. But I'm going to talk about the duet a little bit later. I want to do the duet last. So let's talk about page 19. On page 19, they're saying an anchor, a keyboard anchor. I'll get there in a minute. Give me a minute. For a D. To me, a D is not an anchor. Middle C is an anchor. That's a note. And D is right above middle C because it's A, B, C, D. It's the next note up. So if a C is here, a D is here, a D is in the middle of 2. And that's probably why they're calling it an anchor. It's in the middle of 2 black keys. D, a D, a D, a D. It's all over the place. There's D's everywhere. So now I guess you need to know where a D is on the keyboard. So now you got 2 notes, C and D. We got 5 left to go. We'll get there. Then on top of that, they also introduced you to the note E on the keyboard. C, D, E. We're going up the alphabet. C, D, E. And E is at the top of a group of 2. So now we got all 3 of these notes that surround a group of 2, because we got an E, 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 E. So we got these 3 notes. So around this group of 2, you know where these notes are. So memorize the note names on the keyboard. So you just look at it and instantly know the name of that note on the name of that key. So we got 3 down, we got 4 left to go, we'll get there. And that's what they're doing on page 19. You can do different little exercises using these 3 different things. At the bottom, they give you the rhythms. Play a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, the rest is 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they want you to do an E. Well, use any finger you want, and you can use either hand. It doesn't matter. So it's just whichever. It's just, second one is an E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. Okay, and the last one is a D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no rest on that one. Now you can do that. You can actually, they're telling you in the middle, you could actually play these on any of them. Just move around the keyboard and listen to the different parts of the keyboard too. Let me know if you have any questions, but that's basically what page 19 is about. Now let's go back and do that duet at the bottom of page 18. I have to adjust the duet just a little bit because when you're playing with somebody, it's important that you listen to each other so you stay together. So one isn't playing one speed and the other is playing at some other speed. You got to be together. Well, when we're doing the duet, you can listen to me because you can hear me, but I can't listen to you. I can't hear you. So I need to play something on every beat to keep a beat going so you can follow the beat. Well, most of that's half notes down there. I got to turn it into quarter notes. So I'm going to play, I'll make something up. I'm going to play quarter notes somewhere all the way through so we can keep the beat. Now, what notes do you play? Well, they want you to start down here. I'm talking a full range keyboard. They want you to start at the bottom on A, and they want you to use the rhythm shown in this music where you're playing and you have a rest on the every eighth note is a rest. And you're going to go all the way up to middle C. Now you have half notes at the end. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. See, it works out. As far as I'm concerned, you don't have to start down there. You can start on some other A, as long as you got room to go all the way to the top to a C. You're going to start on an A and end on a C. Exactly which ones you use is up to you. Just remember you keep the rhythm and you have a rest in there. So watch out. Oh, this won't work too. Which finger? They're saying third finger. I don't care which finger you use. Just use a finger. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.